Welcome to my weather news channel. Stay up to date with the weather news every day.
Heavy rains and the dangerous, raising the water level in South Carolina. Severe hurricane Ian flooded Myrtle Beach. As a result of the severe flooding in South Carolina, hundreds of houses went underwater. Houses, roads and streets were flooded. In South Carolina, water has risen to record level in many reservoirs. More than 1,000 rescuers from all over the state are involved in search and rescue operations. State aid forces warn that the elements have not yet come down and urge residents not to leave their homes.
Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss important weather news.